Connect is foul. Enemy grenade!
There's a lot of
Building. Window. There's a guy in the window.
Got it.
Window.
Spot enemy across the tower overlook. Just right across that building.
How do you want to play it?
I need you cover left for me.
Copy.
Right there. There's a lot of movement. Black clothes. You don't see band, shoot him up. Assume me that whole position. Presser, come with me on the left.
Hello there.
Ah, hit!
Hey, you got me too, bro.
Woo! Beautiful. Still alive. Friendlies. What we got?
Your left arm band for a second. I almost panicked.
You got a guy on spawn.
Watch you guys left. That's just
Fuck, my gun sucks. I'm going back. Connect is foul. Enemy grenade! Okay, we're good. Enemy closing up the building.
Are they approaching from the southwest?
Yep. Couple of them, not a lot. One of my guys hold up right now. Where?
South. They come from north, from this spot.
North. Coming to you. Do they see me?
Don't know, man.
Ah, hit! Coming back.
So
How was it?
I went down the side path, and there's a dude like laying in the middle of the path on a log, and he's got some pretty poorly made ghillie suit, so it's immediately obvious that he's there.
Friendlies! I got you left.
Haven't been able to make any progress on that push. I got pressure strapped in one push. I think he probably intel off. Need to be careful.
Oh, good. I got prescription glasses on. It will help.
Yeah, me too.
Yes, I got one. Oh, fuck. I think he might miss. Oh, fuck. Trying to find one. Out. I got you, buddy. Thinking of pushing up. We should put there.
Getting closer.
Very close to the spawn, yeah. I'm not sure if it's okay. Hit! Connect. High here for now. You hit?
Yeah, hit.
They're gonna try and click on the tower. The BBs come from dead ahead. They got some sort of visual from our head.
Watch your head, Sumida. Friendlies.
He had on the tower.
You can maybe see him through the.
Anything?
Right there. Yep, he's up.
12, 12.
Straight up. Does anyone still have revives left? Yeah. You rushed the kid? Yeah.
What's
There's
the
5 left and there's one of them behind there. Oh.
Go, 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 cover you.
Hey, right up here. Connect secured!
Connect good!
Push their connect! Everyone cover! Everyone cover!
Anyway, 12 next to the Overwatch.
Let's go! Come on, cover!
Fuck, my red dot's out. Where from?
Advantage.
Where to? Close by?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. Hang on. Ah, hit!
How are your teammates?
Gunfire. Who the hell using our walkies? Yeah.
Swear to God, if you friendly fire. Get under. Moving on the other side of the field.
In the tower, in the tower. They're all over there. They're coming at the other side of the tower.
Are they hit? Fuck yeah.
See him behind the tire in the wood. You got targets moving around back there.
Out, 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 reload. Ah, fuck. The guy hit a hit. Go, 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 go.
Cover him! Cover him!
Cover, cover, cover. Keep pushing.
Under the tower, under the tower.
Check the metal house.
Try my best to fucking stress.
Where are you seeing him?
Lots of the metal structure. We're stuck in the bush or something.
Well, would it help if my gun was on fire?
Uh-oh.
Look at that shit.
Ooh, ooh.
You see where I'm shooting, right? Is that the right spot?
Whew.
He said left side of the structure.
Ooh, shit.
Hit!
Ooh, ooh. Ah, hit.
Watch your left side. I will get flank on the left side.
Got you. Left, pressure, left. Ah, hit.
Hey, this straight ahead, this straight ahead.
Tower. Oh, hit. Hit.
Watch the left side, watch the left side.
Only like two. How many fights you done?
I don't know, I haven't been down the defense.
I'm gonna head down there.
Should we try to go?
Hey, we got two bands over here on this side. What's over here on the left? We got two of us?
We got a bunch of bands over here on this side pushing up with
Watch the tower. Watch the tunnel.
Two here on that side. Watch the tower. You up on the tower.
They definitely are in control of tower left.
Pressure. Watch your left. Behind the trees.
I don't think we're supposed to be doing automatic, man.
I didn't do automatic.
Oh, you're just firing that fast?
Yep. Look. My finger just good. Watch your tunnel. Go, 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 go.
We got the tower.
Yeah, we're cool, we're cool.
We got tower.
Got the guy down. I'm not sure if it's that enemies though.
Hey, man, pull forward, pull forward.
Got one.
Okay, good.
Tower.
Take the barrels out.
One behind the wall, up ahead, on the right.
Copy.
Press fire.
Professor, watch the main door.
Catching up on you guys.
Please don't shoot behind.
Please gun over here.
Is that a hostile right there?
No band shoot. Band inside, band inside.
We got no band up ahead. Last time behind one of the trees. Smoke is good.
Friendly coming too.
Copy.
Down.
Copy, copy.
Watch yourselves. I saw no band out left.
No band left?
No one there.
Oh, no one there.
Still one.
Oh, that's barricade.
Yep. Right here. On this one.
Did you just shot me?
He's right there. On the barricade.
Where?
No, those guys are right there.
We got one. Behind the trees that was left.
Woo! Watch right for him, watch right for him.
Watch.
Watch your flank if you push out. Okay, one out left's down.
Go, 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 go! Woo!
Then over here, we gotta go around this side. There's no one here anymore.
Copy.
Yeah, there's no one here anymore.
Behind the barricade?
Let's go around this side.
We're with you.
Run, shield! Shield! I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back. Shield, shield, shield!
All right, there.
Shield, shield! Friendly. Oh god. Oh god.
They got a shield up there.
I'm out of fucking ammo.
You have grenade at all? There's a shield there if you have grenade. Friendly. Cover me, I'm going up. Friendlies!
I'm enemy.
Oh!
Enemy.
Man!
Moving right. Moving right. Right shield's down.
Right, just down. All right, let's push forward. Around to the right.
Out, out!
Load.
Load, load.
Walkie's on the ground.
I'll go grab it. I got it. Catch! That's cool. Anything?
Not yet.
Woo!
Hey!
Ah, hit.
Fuck! Hey, Mac, Mac, Mac! Give me Mac!
I'm dead.
Fuck! Fuck! Out! Ah! Jesus!
Nope. Nope.
The worst part of the war is when you're out of ammo.
Nope.
Surrender! I'm out!